Hey guys, and welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. New content every Wednesday and Sunday. And today we're going to take a truck I haven't used in a while around the waterfall trail. So here it is guys, my C34KM. My original KM kit, the first one I ever built. And yeah, still running extremely well. Give it a fresh service guys. We are now running it with the Hobby Porter HP 007. So we are now running a digital transmitter receiver setup, and that allows me to fine tune the steering and everything I need. We've got a Hobbywing 1060 ESC in there guys. Enough waffling on. Let's see if we can get it round the trail. So the C34KM from WPL is unique. It's got a single speed gearbox and extra long drive shafts. The ground clearance is phenomenal. I'm also trying it out today with some V4 tyres on V3 wheels. Let's see how they handle the loose dirt and terrain. Foams, no weights, and yeah, pretty much then a stock KM setup. I've swapped the original springs for some softer C34 ones. I'll pick my line carefully there, it's a bit slippery there. Just meander our way up instead. Nicely does it. Yeah, the control I'm getting from the Hobbywing 1060 is phenomenal. Just touching the throttle ever so slightly there guys. Yeah, this really does look the part. WPL went above and beyond to make this thing look as scale as possible out on the trail. Just going to back it up for you guys just to show you what we're actually climbing here. We're going up the mountainside now. Oh, we're losing a bit of traction up there. Oh, we lost a bit of traction here and it slid down the hill, so I'm going to do some really subtle adjustments to try and get it back on the trail. Nicely does it. One of the steepest sections of the waterfall trail here guys is going to be a really good test for those V4 tyres. So far I'm really impressed with them. They seem to put down really good grip, but at the same time they keep themselves nice and clean. I spoke too soon, struggling for grip here guys. Let's try and take a sideways line and cut back through. Here we go. Oh, nearly. Come on tyres. Try a bit of wheel speed. Oh, nearly. Not a lot of wheel speed to be had out this single speed. As you can see, that is pinned. I think we're going to get up there. Come on. Oh, so close. Yes, come on. Yes, little C34. Well, I was really impressed with that. Phenomenal grip out those V4. Bit of a tricky bit here now. Got a rock right on the edge. Right on the edge of the cliff, so to speak. We've got a rock that's going to pose as a bit of a challenge. Whoa. We'll take our time. Let suspension do its work. Hey, lovely job. Yeah, I really rate these KM kits, guys. So we're getting to the top of section 3 here now guys. It is pretty steep at the top here. Straight up C34 all the way, go on. Oh, I spoke too soon. Yes! Amazing grip. The ground is extremely wet and slippery today. Coming around to section 4, I'm actually going to take the hard route today. I want to see how this thing handles the descents. So instead of taking the right route there across the E470, we're going to drop down into Merthyr. I'm going to take my time coming down here guys. There's enough weight on the metal axles, so the wheel weights are not necessarily needed. And yeah, the Hobbywing is handling the descents really well. It's just pretty much when I touch the accelerator it goes, when I let go it stops. So not much of a drag brake, but yeah, it'll keep you safe on the trail. Ooh, nearly. halfway through section 4. Can we make it up the other side? So nearly home free, guys. Got a pretty tricky line here to get out of section 4. Lots of slippery roots. Not a problem for those V4 tyres. And out the other side. Yeah, highly recommend these WPL kits, guys. Whether it be a KM or, yeah, just check out the website. They've got so many models to choose. Now would be a good time to mention they are releasing the C34-1KM as well. So yeah, make sure to check that out, guys. I'll leave a link in the description. Again, pretty jungle-like now. At the start of section 5 here. I'll take my time, make my way through the overgrowth. Fair play. This Land Cruiser really does look the part. Well suited to the overgrowth. We've got a bit of a tricky uphill section here, lots of rocks and roots in the way. I'm going to use that increased KM steering angle just to meander my way through. Just saying, it's all about taking the easiest line if possible, guys. Straight up. Nearly home free, guys, so we got this incredibly steep and slippery decline to make our way down, and then we're home free. Yeah, just gonna keep the revs nice and slow. Let the Hobbywing do the braking for me. I do prefer the descent control of the Res 3. It's nice, you just tap the throttle and it holds the revs. This feels a little jolty to me. I'm really impressed. Yeah, it was a pleasure taking this around the waterfall trail today, guys. Nothing really phased it. Those V4 wheels give them plenty of power. Nice weight from the metal axles, and yeah, really impressed with the performance. Yeah, it's nice to get this little critter back out on the trail. But yeah, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.